Yeah, I'm the kind of bird that likes to kick ass all seasons. Summer, fall. You know, fall's pretty sweet. You get to do your own thing in fall. Can't get much better than that. And even winter. Yeah, winter. What can I say? I'm just that kind of bird. But spring. Spring is when Puncy comes out, and the bird territory needs defending. And I will defend it. But he fucking retaliated. I don't know why you had to do that, little blue bird. I was just trying to be nice, you know? It's hard being a dog. Rough. I mean, what kind of animal waits outside a convenience store while its owner gets a pack of smokes? How stupid can an animal get, really? It's the kind of thing that makes you sick to your stomach, you know? I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna puke. Jesus. I gotta think about how I'm gonna get rid of Puncy. That dog's been bugging me for a long ass time. I'll find a way though. So I went and asked the spirits for help, and they said,
"You must make friends with Puncy. And also quit smoking. That stuff is very bad for you."
Friends with Puncy? Quitting smoking? This is crazy. This is all so crazy. What do I do? How do I don't know. What's happening? When I woke up, Puncy was there. Oh, we're gonna be good friends. We're gonna be great friends. We're gonna be the best of friends. We're gonna be the best of friends. Friends with Puncy? I just didn't know. Didn't get it. So I had to go ask my robot brother for help understanding this. And even though I wasn't a robot,
You know you're not a robot. You know?
I know I'm not a robot.
You know you're not a robot. You'll never be a robot. Even though you're adopted. God bless our mother who adopted you.
I know I'm not a robot.
God bless our mother who adopted you. God bless her soul.
I know I'm not a robot.
You're not a robot. You'll never be a robot, but I still love you. I'm your brother.
Jeez, I wonder where the little bluebird went. Wow, it's getting really dark really quickly here. Little bluebird, little bluebird, little bluebird, little bluebird. Little bluebird, little bluebird, little bluebird. Ow! 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 That talk with my brother really cleared my head.
You know, just because you're not a robot doesn't mean you can't be friends with this Puncy fella. I'm sure he's a very nice guy. I'm sure Mom would have loved him. God bless her soul. God bless her soul. You know, I'm sure she would have loved him. Brought him over if that's what you're into, whatever. Doesn't matter. Your sexual preference is up to you. Okay? Nobody's gonna judge you for that around here.
No, I'm just wondering if I should be friends with the guy, you know? Nothing like that, bro. Nothing like that. That's it's a little too far out of the basket for me. You know what I mean? Little bluebird. Oh, little bluebird. Oh, where are you, little bluebird? Little bluebird. Little bluebird, little bluebird. Guess I should go talk to him. Fuck. Okay, Punsy. This is how it's gonna go. We can be friends, but you must know, even though I seem and act like a robot, I am not a robot, okay? I am not a robot, so you cannot call me a robot or affiliate me with a robot. I cannot be called a robot. My brother will have a shit flip, okay? So I'm not a robot, even though I may seem and act like a robot, okay? If we're gonna be friends, you must not call me a robot, okay? You don't seem and act like a robot to me, little blue bird. You know what you seem and act like to me? You seem and act like to me like a little blue bird, little blue bird. That's really crazy that you seem and act like a robot to yourself. That's really crazy. That's really messed up. You should really go to the doctor and get some help if that's what you feel like you are. That's really crazy. That's really messed up. Who would tell you that? That's whoa. That's a mind freak right there. That's crazy, but we're gonna be good friends. We're gonna be the best of friends now, little blue bird, even if you aren't a robot, which is okay with me and was never a problem in the first place. So we're gonna be the best of friends now, robot. I mean, bluebird. Yeah, we're the kind of team that likes to kick ass all summer. Even fall. We can pretty much do anything we want in fall. It's pretty kick-ass, really. And winter. Winter's fun. Punsy loves to play in winter. In spring. All we do is drink and listen to music in spring. It's pretty kick-ass, really. Anyways, that's the story of how I became friends with Punsy. Hope you had a good one. See you later.
Because I have no glass, I don't need one beat. Surrounding, hounding, hell you see. And I whip them down with drinks and tea. Because hell, why not? Never ever had to be the fake attitude who could never ever need the style of his own, need some kind of me. You speak so well from the tale spoke to me. Sorry, was that something? Guess it went over my head. Am I sorry that I said no? I'd rather really be dead. My flow speaks miles, no need to differ from the rest. Only stacks I need are the ones that are in my shack. If you got my back, then I got your back. Holy flow, it comes and goes with the frickin' mother back. Let's focus, I'm zoning, no longer deaf in these bones. I got a rocket, shoot this track like rockets. Pocket full of punch, ain't no need to stock it. Let me mark it.